Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a backtesting strategy using a single condition technical indicator to evaluate the performance of S&P 500 ETF over the last 20 years. Our strategy will test the validity of historical patterns based on specific criteria. We'll enter a trade when the relative strength index indicator is greater than 60, and we'll exit once the time in market reaches 5 days. For better clarity, we'll set the chart theme to dark and opt for a candle display style to enhance result visualization. Now, let's move on to the form section. Begin by selecting SPY as the symbol. Then set the backtesting time range at 20 years. You can either customize the name of your backtest or go with the default one. Next, adjust the time in market to 5 days. In the Entry Conditions section, simply pick Relative Strength Index from the drop-down list of technical indicators and set the condition to be greater than 60. Now, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. The Summary tab provides an overview of the overall data from the backtest results, while the Trades tab offers details on each trade. Even though the default exit condition is time in market 5 days, the Exit with Default Time in Market tab reveals trade outcomes with different exit times such as 1 week, 2 weeks, and more. The chart also displays specific buying and selling information. Green triangles indicate entry points, while red triangles signify exit points. When we establish the entry condition as Relative Strength Index greater than 60, considering the default trade price is the current close, we'll buy at the closing price on the day the condition is met. Exit points coincide with our time in market 5-day setting, signifying we'll sell after 5 days once the condition is met. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on creating a single condition backtest using technical indicators. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.